Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Keep looking up. Always look up. Don't look down. Look up. The reason is, when you start looking down, you think about things that are negative. You think about things that have been done, things maybe you did in the past, something maybe someone said about you. Look up. I think most people in their lives need positive in their lives and not negative. If you concentrate on that person that treats you unkindly or says something unkind about you, it's just going to grind. It'll make you feel so down, and you want to look up. We can't control what other people say about us, but we can live the best life we can. We want to be remembered of the good we do, not the bad. So think of the good, not the bad. Don't think negative people. Don't say things about people. Don't make people try to make them feel bad. Make sure that people, when they hear your name, that they know that you have kindness in your heart. A lot of times, people will get on a negative about something and really don't know when to quit. They might have a rant, they will say, about something and say something very unkind. I have watched some videos that they talk nothing but negative about things, and they don't say much of good about anything. Think good, not bad. Look up, not down. Enjoy life. And when you go to bed at night, you will sleep a little bit better. I promise. I hope you guys have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And when I say that, be kinder than they are, I try to live by that every day. If someone says something unkind or rude or talks about someone, I'll change the subject, or I might go, no, I just don't want to listen to it. So be that way. Be kind. And don't forget to give a smile. You might get one back. And even though you've got those masks on and you're out and about, you can tell you've got a smile by your eyes. I promise. Until tomorrow, I love you. I hope you feel it. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel that? It's a virtual hug, of course, but one day we'll all be able to hug each other again. Until tomorrow. If I said it once, I said it twice. I'm saying it again, and goodbye till tomorrow.